In this video, we'll be showing you how you can turn on the bell notification on your YouTube channel. First is to log in into your youtube.com and make sure that you are using the right account. After logging in, click the display icon. And then here you have to go to the YouTube Studio. Once you are inside the YouTube Creator Studio, you have to access your settings, which is here in the sidebar. Click the settings and head to the channel. Click the channel and go to advanced settings. So by default, the audience set for your YouTube channel is set to for kids. So you won't be receiving or they won't be receiving notifications when you upload stories or new videos. So you just need to click the no here and then click the save button. And that's it. That's how you can turn on the bell notification on your YouTube channel when you are uploading videos or new videos. And thank you for listening.